How to set up WhatsApp business account from scratch. So first of all, make sure that you have downloaded WhatsApp business from your app store. Then after that, you can simply open the application. After doing that, here tap on agree and continue. And in here, what you're gonna do is, if you want to use the same number from your previous WhatsApp messenger, you can tap on use the same number, right? But if you want to use a different number for your business, you can tap on use a different number, then add in your number. So for now, I'm going to go with use my previous number, just like this, and here you can see it is now being connecting. So after doing that, now the transfer will be begin. So simply tap on add transfer, just like this. Here you can see it has been completed, then tap on next. So after doing that, if you want your WhatsApp business to get the access of your contact, you can tap on continue, or else you can tap on don't allow. And in here, you'll have to now create your business profile. So in here, if you want to edit your business name, you can do that and then tap on continue. After doing that, here you'll need to select your business category. So for now, I'm going to go with something like non-profit organization, then tap on continue. In here, you'll need to add your business hour. For now, I'm going to go with always open, then enable all of the weeks, then tap on save. After doing that, tap on continue. Then in here, if you want to add a profile picture, you can tap on the profile icon and add in your profile picture and then tap on continue. After doing that, if you want to write more ways to find your business, you can add in your address in here, or you can add in the link to your website. For now, I'm going to skip that one, just like this. And if you want to add the description of your business, you can always do so. Simply add what your business is about in here so that your customer will be more clear. For now, I'm going to skip that part again. And just like this, here you can see we have now successfully created our WhatsApp business account. And yeah, that's it.